Yeah, I figured I'd come out here and check on the weather conditions out here, because it was snowing earlier, and now it feels cooler out here. Now it seems to be freezing rain. Let's see if we're getting some freezing rain out here. Feels like it's sleeting right now. Oh yeah. We're getting a little freezing rain here. Yep. This is the kind of stuff that brings power lines down. Whoa. This storm's not even over yet. Yep. Yeah, it definitely feels like it's getting colder. It's like 30 now, and it's going to be like 17 tonight into tomorrow, which is crazy cold for this time of year. Wow, look at that tree, how it got hit by the freezing rain. And they said it's supposed to get windy too. Look at this here. See, we got quite a bit of freezing rain here. I've seen worse, but yeah, we definitely got a little bit. And just in case we lose power, I have got the kerosene heater in here. Oops. This here, I can bring this in the house. I got some kerosene for it, so I can bring that in the house, and at least we can have some heat if we lose power. I don't know if we're gonna lose power or not, because so far the lights haven't even flickered yet, so we should be okay with the power. So that's about all I can update you guys on. Actually, this is the first update for the weather. Wow, it's really sleeting now. Look at this. Alright, so I'm going in. Bye.